Hello and welcome back to the course, and in this video I'm going to take a look at a tool that most people don't even really understand that's a tool, and that's a dual monitor setup. This is simulated. Don't have the ability to record two screens at once, at least not easily, and of course that would make the file size astronomical, so that is one disclaimer on this, but this gives you the idea. In front of you, I have what would essentially be dual monitors, as I have the browser for Bloomberg Live on the YouTube channel. This is free. It's free streaming. It's excellent streaming. And then you have the Australian dollar. So as I record this, this is during the Asian session. And of course, the Aussie is much more active in Asia than some other currencies. So this gives you an idea as to how I would use this. If you have some type of economic announcement coming out, you can fire up Bloomberg on the YouTube browser on one monitor and have your charts on the other. You can also have various tools, and sometimes I even watch educational stuff while trading, because of course we never stop learning. The thing about the dual monitor is it's not as expensive as it once was. Quite frankly, for a couple $100 you can get a pretty good monitor these days, high def monitors, and quite frankly you probably can find them used laying about. Somebody somewhere probably has one that'd be willing to get rid of. Doesn't have to be anything special, and most modern video cards these days will have at least two inputs, so it shouldn't give you too many issues. There's plenty of adapters out there depending on what type of cables you have and inputs, HDMI, HDMI plus, and RGB and every other type, DVI, every other type of connection that you can have. Beyond that, most modern laptops also have the ability to plug in an external monitor. So even if you're using a laptop, that typically will help. This gives you a leg up on a lot of other traders who are simply just staring at a chart all day. This gives you the ability to monitor what has become a very interconnected market. In this example, I'm talking Forex, but this could just as easily be a Forex chart on one monitor and a gold chart on the other, as the Aussie is so highly leveraged to gold at times. Or depending on how Asia's doing, the Aussie will do the same general direction. Not always, but you could keep an eye on, for example, the Hang Seng and see how Asia's doing. So this gives you the ability to be more reactive. Keep in mind that FX markets are moved by so many different things these days. You kind of have to keep an eye on the entire world, and it's quite frankly just about impossible to do on a single monitor.